It's not often that mushrooms are the main ingredients in Indian curries. With this Malai gravy, button mushrooms are the star ingredients working so well in a cashew based curry that you will fall in love with this recipe. In contrast to the much loved fiery and heavily spiced curries, there are lovely subtitle and mild versions that also deserve a turn in the spotlight. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and this is Smita. So let's begin this recipe with mushroom. Before that, let me show you the ingredients. And ingredients are green chili, garlic clove, sugar, onion, fresh cream. With that, cashew, salt, kasuri methi, and a lovely button mushroom. First of all, you need to wash this button mushroom properly. After that, cut into small pieces. Now, let's begin the recipe. In a mixer grinder, add 2 tablespoons of cashew. Then add 1 medium-sized onion and make a fine paste. If needed, you can also add 2 tablespoons of water to make a fine paste. Now, once it is done, then keep it one side and let's start with the recipe. In a heated pan, add 2 teaspoons of refined oil, and once the oil heats up, then add 1 tablespoon of garlic, clove and green chili. Over here, I have used 2 green chili cut into small pieces. You can adjust the heat according to your taste bud. And once it starts to spatter, then add 250 grams of mushroom cut into small pieces. Then stir it for 1 to 2 minutes in a medium-high flame. Then add half teaspoon of salt. Again fry it until it turns light brown from all the sides in a medium-high flame. And once you can see it's still frying, let me inform you something about this white mushroom. As these had an earthy flavors and meaty texture, the firm chewy textures of mushrooms makes them a popular meat substitute in vegetarian and vegan cooking, providing a satisfying bite and absorbing flavors beautifully from sauces and spices. After that, stir it once again and then add the onion paste which you have done at the beginning of the recipe. Though no need to remove the mushroom from the pan, just make a space in between and add this onion paste. Again stir it for 3 to 4 minutes in a high flame. While stirring for 1 to 2 minutes, when you see the raw smell of the onion goes away, then add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and quickly stir it well in a low flame until everything mixes well, and then cook for another 4 to 5 minutes till the mushrooms are soft enough. After some time, when you see the gravy has become very smooth and oil start to release at the top, at that point switch off the flame and add 1 tablespoon of dry kasuri methi leaves. Rub in your both palms and then sprinkle it from top, and now serve it in a serving plate. And before serving warm, sprinkle some more kasuri methi at top and add 1 tablespoon of melted butter which will enhance its taste to its top. Now serve it with roti or naan and enjoy this malai mushroom with your friends and family. And if you think today's recipe is worth it, then why you are waiting for? Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so when I upload my next video, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Bye bye.